Hi guys, Mr. Dalton here, and I'm back with another video, and it is Carnival week where I'm giving you little mini games which you guys can be getting on with during half term and beyond, that are inspired, some of them inspired by the Carnival games that you might have played in the past. This one today, again, it's not quite what you'd see at a carnival, but it's similar kind of concept, with just a mini game kind of built to try and build up as high a score as possible. So on this one, you'll be against the clock. What you've got to do is, again, it's quite PE based, so it's quite nice to get that physical activity, but it's got that fun competitive element to it as well. So if you want to play against brothers, sisters, mums, dads, as I always say, then feel free. Right, so today what you'll need is some kind of stick. Maybe you might want a tennis racket, you might want to just use your foot. Okay, you can do anything that you like in that sense. So you might do it with a football or a tennis ball. You'll need some kind of target. I've used a washing basket because it's quite easy. It's round. That's the kind of shape target or size target we're looking for. And you'll need a marker. I've got a cone, and then all you'll need and a ball. I've said ball. Yeah, I've already said that. So what you're going to do is you're going to have 1 minute. And what you've got to do is you've got to go down and you've got to do a press up, and then you've got to get up and you've got to try and score a goal. So if you're kicking, you might try and kick it into the target. I might try and push it in. It didn't go in because I didn't put any lift on it. So you might need to put a bit of, oh, I've missed again. I'll get another ball. There we go. So I'll have 1 minute to do that. So I have a shot. If I miss, I don't get the point. If I score, great. I go down, I do another press up, I get the ball back to this cone, and I have another go. All right, so you've got to try, see what score you can get. I'm going to just put a little weight in here to make sure it doesn't topple over. All right, okay, my minute is going to start now. So you go down, press up, up. Oh, that's one. Down, press up, up. Oh no, I missed. Down, press up, up. Good, that's 2. Down, press up, up. 3, down, press up, up. Get the ball. Good, 4. Down, press up, up. Yes, 5. Down, press up. Oh. No! Up. Oh. Yes, 6. Let's go. Up. Oh, look at it. Oh, 7, and that's my time. Up. Oh. I got a score of 7. See how you get on. If you want to change the exercise there, it doesn't have to be a press up. You could do a squat and then a shot, or you could do a sit up. Anything that you fancy, you can have a go at. It's just about that, having some exercise, building in with that target practice as well. Hopefully you've enjoyed that carnival game today, guys. I've really enjoyed it. Tune in next time for our 4th carnival game, which will be another coordination active one. All right, see you next time, guys. Bye.